Hall's secret profile. So, backstage, kanina, nung nasa dressing room pa siya, napansin ko, meron siyang sinusulat. 아까 저기 대기실에서요, 뭐 이렇게 쓰시는 것 같거든요. 뭐 쓰실 거예요?
제 프로필 이제 답변 받고 있었어요.
Ayan, ito yun. Ito yung sinusulat niya. Okay. So, ito yung secret profile. And over here, syempre, when I was asked to host this event, kailangan I have to research din, di ba? Kasi I'm very nervous, ganyan. So, I went online and I searched for Lee Min Ho. Ito yung nakita ko. Very predictable. Alam niyo na to, di ba? Na-search niyo na siya sa Google. So, mga Lee Min Ho, South Korean, tama? Model, actor, singer, voice over flowers. Alam niyo, yan, very predictable. But what I really wanted to know were some of these things here dito sa secret profile. So let's get to it. Okay. Ayan, ito siya. Okay, so search natin is Lee Min Ho. And we're gonna get some new information on him that we've never encountered before. Starting with, what is a Filipino word that you learned recently? 최근에 배우신 필리핀 말은?
말은
개인적으로 궁금한 거였는데
조금 조금
망한다.
Maganda.
예쁜 필리핀 여성을 만나면 쓰자고 망한다.
So, recent Filipino word na nalaman niya is maganda. Kasi he wanted to use it daw whenever he met a beautiful Filipino lady. Baka may gusto siyang sabihin ko maganda dito. Yung iba, maganda na niya. Sabi ka,
Tatawa.
dami! Okay, tayo. Okay, maganda ang word na maganda. Okay, let's move on. What is the first food you tasted in Manila during this visit? Okay, we touched on this a little bit earlier.
네.
이번 방문에서 처음 먹은 마닐라 음식은?
많은 걸
처음 이걸 내가 잘못 썼구나.
nagkamali daw siya ng answer. Bakit kaya? 뭐라고 쓰는데요?
여기 쓴 거는 어제 먹은 까레까레를 썼는데
네.
처음 먹은 거는 뭐지?
So, ang nasulat niya, kare-kare, which is apparently not the first Filipino dish that he had upon arrival. What did
호텔에서
you have?
먹었는데
May kinain daw siya sa hotel. Ano kaya yun? Can you describe to us 어떤 형식의 음식이었죠?
햄버거 같은 거.
May parang hamburger ba tayong pagkain?
wala.
Na Filipino?
나
Na
sorry.
Filipino hamburger. Kare-kare. Alam mo na yun.
네.
Baka nga kare-kare is the first Filipino food that we had.
I
Once
like 까레까레.
Okay. This one, I'm sure curious din kayo lahat dito. What do you like about Manila? 이 도시의 어떤 점이 좋으세요?
바다와 도시가 어우러져서 굉장히 아름다워.
So what he likes about Manila is that when you come to this city, you get a very metropolitan city, as we said earlier, but you also have bodies of water. So it's the mixture of these two things in one city that he likes best about Manila. Tama naman, di ba? Tama! Okay. Moving on. Ooh, this one is concerning Bench. Thank you so much to Bench, by the way, for making all of this possible. Let's give Bench a big round of applause, everybody. You have been the model for Bench for some time now. Why do you love Bench? 벤치 모델을 해오셨는데 벤치가 이런 점이 좋다라는 한 가지.
옷 스타일이 다양해서 여러 연출이 가능한 것 같아요.
Okay, so his favorite thing about Bench is the versatility. Nakapunta na kayo ng Bench store? Ay, syempre, di ba kayo nandito? So, pansin niyo naman, there are all kinds of styles. Di ba? Kahit ano yung gusto mong fashion, meron kayong mahanap sa Bench. So, this is what he loves about that. It's versatility. You can put